cents. And here's coins. Coins, you just draw little circles, or I've seen them do coins. Little circles in your hand.
Do you do as many as you want?
Yeah.
I want 10.
Yeah, you go, or you say cents 5. This is change or
Oh, like
coins, coins,
okay.
right.
Okay.
Now this is, how do you sign change for a dollar? Look at me, don't look at the book. How do you sign it?
I don't know the sign for change.
I do change
Yeah.
a dollar, and this is showing just a Yankee book change. I have never seen that sign.
So how did you do change?
Change.
Change.
So it's here, but you're going to change
Change.
from that dollar to coins.
And
Okay.
the dollar's like that, right?
No,
$1.
it's
Dollar.
Dollar.
Oh,
Dollar.
that's right.
Change. Dollar.
okay. Now check, check. It's like you've got your checkbook right here. Check, check. We'll move out in a minute, y'all, so you can see better when we finish this chapter. And I'm upset because I planned the whole class around that video. I even watched it without sound. I had to get right down in it to look at it. And Gary and them can't come tonight.
It doesn't tell you what they're saying?
If I had sound.
Oh, it does. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be lost on that.
Well, you're not going to have any sound when we watch it. Okay, check, we did. Deposit. Okay, you got money in your hands, and you're going to deposit it. You're depositing it into the bank. Look at me. Don't be whispering at me. I'll speak Spanish on you. Okay, deposit, deposit.
Yes, I have that.
Profit. It's like,
Hey, combate?
hey. All right, like you got a pocket right here. Got a pocket right here. What was that? What is that? What'd she say?
Something combative.
Que si quiere tomate, ¿o qué?
What do you say?
Que si quiere tomate.
Something like that.
Oh,
Get a tomato?
You want a tomato?
I thought you were going for combat.
combate. When I first went to Mexico, I didn't speak very good English. When I first got the condo down there,
English or
or Spanish, it was in when did you meet Jody? Okay, so it was in the mid-'80s.